Hi, I want to do like a deep condition. I want to show you how I use my, I don't know if that's called, like a hair dryer. It's really cool. It's this $12 hair dryer I got from Target, and you put it over your head and it has like an extension cord, like if it was like a dryer, and you put the blow dryer in it and it dries your hair. But I put a like deep conditioning thing stuff in my hair, and then I put a shower cap and I steam it for about 10-15 minutes, and then I rinse it out, and then that does the treatment. I do a treatment with that. So today I want to treat my hair, get it a nice treatment. I'm gonna do a deep conditioning treatment with this flaxseed and some other stuff. It's gonna be a mixture. It's gonna be flaxseed gel. It's good for hair regrowth and it's good for hair in general. So I'm going to use the gel from this. Basically, I'm going to take some of this, put it in boiling water, boil it for a couple of minutes, and extract the gel from these seeds. I'll show you what the gel looks like. I'm going to use that for my deep condition along with Shea Moisture product. It's a butter and it has apple cider vinegar, castor oil, and then I'm going to put some peppermint because that stimulates the hair follicles. And then let me show you. So this is what it looks like. I love it. You know what? I love my blonde hair. As you can tell, the front, you know, it absorbed the color of the purple shampoo towards the front because I think it's more whiter. So that's what it looks like after a month. As you can see, my roots are growing out already, but I don't mind. Here's the gel. It looks like this, like egg white consistency. It's still hot. It's fresh out of the pot. I strained it, so it's just the gel. I just put water and flax seeds and strained it, and it just turns into gel. And in this, I'm going to add some peppermint essential oil, just a couple of drops. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and always one extra has to fall. And that's 11. And then I'm going to add a little bit of jojoba oil, a couple of drops of this. That's enough. Okay, so I'm gonna put this mixture in my hair first and concentrate on the scalp, and then this is gonna be more likely, this is the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil. This is lock and braid butter, but it has shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar. It still does its job. I'm just gonna put that on the rest of my hair. So this one I'm gonna concentrate more on the scalp, but also put it everywhere. And this I'm gonna just use the rest. It's not that much. So let's do it. Da, 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 da. So I'm going to. Oh my gosh! I'm gonna start with the top first. Concentrate on that. You know what? Let's just pour it on my head. I'm not even in front of a mirror. I'm doing it by just. It's like aloe. I'm making a mess. Don't wear your good stuff while you do this, okay? What the heck? Wow, you could definitely see my roots now. Scrub, 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 scrub. Scrub-a-dub-dub. And I'm gonna like work it into my. I have a little bit left that I'm just gonna plop all my hair that's left in here. Okay. Okay. So it's pretty much soaked in. So all I'm gonna do is take this. I'm gonna put it everywhere. I did this once before and my hair came out really nice and conditioned. So it's like, just work it in there. And now I got this shower cap that I use to process this. Ow, my earring. Okay, so I make sure I like do a greenhouse effect. And this, I think I showed you this before, but I never showed you how I used it. So this is it. You put this on your head and then you put the blow dryer in this end. I'm gonna show you that right now. I love this thing actually. It's really good. I think it's supposed to just dry your hair, but I'm gonna do this for 10 to 15 minutes. So put it on low heat. You could do high air, low heat. Wow. It could fly off your head too. So I'm gonna put it on low. Sometimes like every couple of minutes I'll put it on high for 30 seconds and then turn it back off. So what's gonna happen is that my hair is going to steam inside the shower cap. It's gonna do a heat treatment. Okay? Sometimes I hold the back a little bit like that, just to like let the back of my hair get heated, you know, because if I let, sometimes it stays still, so. Alright, so there are oils in my hair. I'm gonna let this dry up. I want to naturally air dry it and all that stuff. I really try not to blow dry it. Since I'm gonna do straightening already, I really want to naturally air dry it. So the next time you'll see me is with dry, straight hair. Here it is. Here it is, the finished product. Actually, you know what? I think I put a little bit too much oil in my hair, but it's not bad, you know? It's not like drenched, but I could tell. I guess this is why it's not as full, because it's weighed down a little bit with the oil, but I don't mind because I just want to condition it for a little bit for these couple of 4 days until I get my purple hair. I'm kind of anxious, but I don't know if you could tell the difference. It's not like super straight, but if you could tell the difference, if you see my other videos on my first bleach and how my hair was, I think it's more or less yellowy. I'm going to be doing a video of me coloring my hair with Arctic Fox. I'm going to do lavender, periwinkle, purple, something. So if you want to see that, subscribe and you'll be notified when the video comes up. Should be in about 4 or 5 days. I gotta do it and then I gotta edit it. So that's it. Thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed my videos. I'll see you next time. Bye.